Want to make a flatbread at home? In this video, I'll show you a simple, foolproof method to get the perfect results every time. Let's get started. Start by making the sponge with 133 grams of flour, 4 grams of yeast, 5 grams of sugar, and 120 milliliters of water. Then mix until smooth. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest in a warm place for about 30 minutes or until it doubles in size. Once the sponge is ready, unwrap it and set it aside. Now let's start with 190 grams of flour. Add 6 grams of salt, 6 milliliters of olive oil, lastly 120 milliliters of water. Add the prepared sponge to the bowl, then mix until soft, wet dough starts to come together. Lightly flour your work surface, then transfer the dough onto it. Start kneading until it firms up slightly and becomes more manageable. Once kneading is complete, transfer the dough to a well-oiled bowl. Cover it and let it proof for 30 minutes until it rises. After the dough has finished proofing, place it onto a lightly floured surface and divide it into 5 equal pieces. Gently shape each piece into a smooth ball, tucking the edges underneath. Once you're done shaping your dough, transfer them onto a baking tray. Now grab some plastic wrap and cover them up. Let them proof for about 30 minutes. Now take each dough ball and grab a rolling pin. Roll them out into circles, aiming for about 15 centimeters in diameter or length. Bake them for 4 minutes at 240 Celsius or until light golden brown. While it's still hot, brush a little bit of butter onto the bread and enjoy.